Namaste Jevin. I am Jevin Shubha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Government Institute, Jaipur, Department of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I deliver a lecture on this topic: complex fertilizer, nano fertilizer, and soil amendment. The major plant nutrients supplied by the fertilizer are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The fertilizer that contains 3 parts plant nutrient element NPK is designated as complete fertilizer according to the fertilizer technology. However, scientifically, such fertilizer are called multi-nutrient fertilizer. Multi-nutrient fertilizer can be classified into two categories: complex fertilizer or mixed fertilizer. What is complex fertilizer? The fertilizer containing two or more major plant nutrient. Major plant nutrient means NPK. Yeah, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. These are the major plant nutrients. The fertilizer containing two or more major plant nutrients which are in a chemical combination are called as a complex fertilizer. They are solid and homogeneous in nature that each fertilizer granule is granted to contain two or more major plant nutrients in a specified ratio. Their production involves homogeneous mixing of two or more nutrient carriers in a slurry followed by the granulation. These are the complex fertilizer. Second, mixed fertilizer. These are simply physically mixture of the solid fertilizer, not involved in a chemical combination. Only physical mixture of solid fertilizer material containing two or more major plant nutrients. They are also called as a bulk blended fertilizer. Each individual fertilizer particle of these blend represented only one of the integrated of the mixture. Only one difference in a complex or mixed. In a complex fertilizer, nutrient combination in a combined with the chemical form, and a mixed fertilizer nutrient mixed in a physical form by the blender. The principal technique involved in the manufacture of complex fertilizer: acidulation, ammonination, and granulation. These are the principal technique. 3. Acidulation. It is the process of treating of the material with the acid. Treating of the material with the acid. Acidulation. Example: treatment of rock phosphate with the sulfuric acid. Second one, techniques: ammonination. In the process of introducing the ammonia into superphosphate to obtain ammoniated superphosphate. Third one, granulation. In the process of making small size particle into large granules or pellets of about 2.3 to 4.3 mm. This technique is primarily intended to improve the handling and storage of properties of fertilizer. Chief characteristic of complex fertilizer: they generally have high content of plant nutrient, more than 40 kg per 100 kg of fertilizer. When applied 100 kg of complex fertilizer, and it releases 40 kg nutrient. As such, they are also called high analyzing fertilizer. They usually have uniform grain size, have good physical condition. They have nitrogen phosphorus in a available form to the soil in a one operation. Nitrogen is present as a nitrate and ammonical form, and phosphorus is present in a water soluble form up to 50 to 90% total P2O5. Through their manufacture is costlier to straight fertilizer. They are cheaper to the cultivator when the cost is worked out on the basis of per kg of plant nutrient. These are the chief characteristics of complex fertilizer. They are non-caking, non-hygroscopic, thus safe for storage. Classification of complex fertilizer. The complex fertilizer being produced in India can be classified into two categories: incomplete complex fertilizer, or second one complete complex fertilizer. First, incomplete complex fertilizer contain only two major nutrients such as nitrogen or phosphorus in the chemical combination. There are two types: ammonium phosphate, or second one nitrophosphate. Ammonium phosphate, they release nitrogen or phosphorus. An example of complex fertilizer. Which one? Incomplete complex fertilizer. Or second, nitrophosphate. Incomplete. Why ammonium phosphate incomplete? may be purchased in a combination of mono diammonium ammonium salt or the mix of two. Most of these formulations are in a granular form. MAP, monoammonium phosphate, 11% nitrogen or 46% phosphorus. DAP, 18% nitrogen or 18% nitrogen or 46% phosphorus. In nitrophosphate, 20-20, nitrogen be 20 or phosphorus be 20. Complete complex fertilizer contain all three major nutrients in a chemical composition. Incomplete में only two major nutrients are chemical in presence in chemical composition. और complete में all of three major nutrients in a chemical composition. 7 example 7 in ratio 17 into 17 to 17. 17 nitrogen, 17 phosphorus or 17 potassium. The word nano means 1 billionth. So nanotechnology refers to the material that are measured in a billionth of meter. Nano means 1 billionth. Nanofertilizer are being studied as a way to increase the nutrient use efficiency and improve the plant nutrition compared with the traditional fertilizer. Nanofertilizer is any product that is made with the nanoparticles or uses nanotechnology to improve nutrient use efficiency. Three classes of nanofertilizer have been proposed: nanoscale fertilizer, nanoscale additives, nanoscale coating. The use of nanotechnology for fertilizer is still in its infancy, but is already adopted for medicine, medical, and engineering application. But what is soil conditioner and amendment? Previously talked about the in previous classes. What is soil amendment, soil conditioner, soil enhancer? Introduction. Just about soil conditioner, soil amendment. A soil conditioner, also called a soil amendment, it is a material added to soil to improve plant growth and health. The type of conditioner added depend on the current soil composition, climate, the type of plant. A conditioner or a combination of the conditioner correct the soil deficiency. Fertilizer such as a peat, manure, anaerobic digested compost, and air deplete the plant nutrient. Gypsum release nutrient and improve soil results. Gypsum also gypsum is an example for soil amendment. Characteristic of soil conditioner. Soil conditioner are naturally and earthy and absorb water rapidly. Compost is synthetic manure made from the decomposing material. Leaf and manure are also natural product. Functions of soil conditioner. They help to improve the amount of mineral in the soil. Soil that rich in a mineral will produce the healthier vegetation. Leaf work by attracting in earthworms, which create a healthy soil. Soil improved by physical, chemical, biological activity is added by the soil conditioner. Soil conditioner, soil amendment, gypsum or lime. These are the both most important example of soil amendment, gypsum or lime. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, any query regarding this session, please write in comment box.